Welcome to the Applied Colors Deep Scratch Repair Demo. We'll place a deep cut in this fender with a screwdriver. Apply some Bondo scratch and chip repair putty to the fender, and use a beveled squeegee to squeegee it into the scratch. The putty will take about 2 to 4 minutes to cure. Use our proprietary chemical paint leveler to remove the excess putty around the scratch. You'll want to wet a shop towel with the paint leveler. Slowly rub over the scratch, removing the excess that's around the scratch, but making sure to leave the putty that fills the scratch intact. Choose a color by holding the color selector fan against the panel and choosing the best match among 100 colors. In this case, green 6 appears to be the best match. Remove the bottle of green 6 from the kit and place about 8 drops in a cup. 8 drops is usually enough to touch up an entire car. Each bottle, on average, will touch up about 20 cars. Using a fine-tipped artist brush, apply the paint into the scratch, being careful not to go beyond the scratch. As I touch up the scratch, I'll answer some common questions. First, are the repairs permanent? Yes, they're permanent. They can be washed, buffed, polished, but paint thinner, if applied aggressively, will remove the paint. Second, what percent fill can be achieved? At the most about 75% because of shrinkage in the paint and the filler putty. No touch-up kit is ever going to offer perfect 100% fill. Third, does the kit match the colors of all American, Asian, and European cars? The answer is yes. Among the 100 formulas, you will find an acceptable match for touch-up purposes for all makes and models of cars. Within 2 minutes, the paint is cured up and we can buff or polish it without the paint coming out of the scratch. Comparing a photo of the scratch before and after the repair, we can see a significant improvement from a distance of 2 feet. For minor damage that doesn't justify a full repaint of the panel, the Applied Colors Scratchout kit is a useful solution for auto dealers, auto detailers, car washes, and paintless dent repair technicians.